Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, so we are doing Tuesday in the attic. So Dusty Attic sketches. We have this lovely sketch you just saw. I will have it up in the corner. I ideally would have loved to fit that many photos on a layout. However, I feel like that many kind of prompts some pre-planning on what photos you have and cropping, whatever. It would be a really good like year in review layout. So if anybody's interested in that, this would be a really good sketch to do that with. I am just going to take, I just started these 4 photos and mat them on this black cardstock. And I'm going to play with my How to Kill a Kit with Style. We're going to use this beautiful Ali Edwards rainbow square paper is going to be my pattern that's on either side. I haven't decided what my strip's going to be, and then I'm just going to have black cardstock in the back of that. So that's what I've got so far. Yeah, let's, I'll get these matted. I'm going to create this photo collage just on this black strip, trim this down so I'm not wasting it, and yeah, I'll be back. All right, due to some technical difficulties, I only have a layout chair for you. I'm a little frustrated. Oh, but I'm trying to breathe through it. Okay. So, what I did is I took that Ali Edwards rainbow blocked paper and I cut a big chunk out of it and then cut that in half and tucked it so I'm not missing. So I actually have a big chunk of it left. So I didn't use all of it. So I did that and then used my favorite border punch, the notebook punch. This was a Jen Hatfield Reaching Out branding strip. I thought that would go well because there's a lot of red. And then I just kind of played. So I grabbed, I really wanted to use one of these Ali Edwards like hitting journaling spots. So I thought this would work just because I did have a weird gap and the square, I mean, it kind of is obnoxious and it doesn't really go. Just because it's not in like a pocket or anything, but I like it. It's working for what I wanted it to do. And I think it looks cute. So then I was able to journal. I stamped the date. I added outside is the best and then fun in the sun. These are a couple of puffies. This and this are from Simple Stories Sun Kiss collection. Some black foam. I just have some like foam thickers. So I had some black hearts, added a couple of those. These 2 chipboard pieces are from October Afternoon. I added a vellum circle from Ali Edwards here and here. These were just leftovers from me doing a cut file from Confessions of a Paper Addict. They're her Build a Floral cut file. Is it Build a Floral 2? Might just be Build a Floral. Etsy shop can be linked down below. This was a sticker from Ellie's Studio Valentine's collection a couple years ago. A couple ephemera pieces from Citrus Twist. And then just decided to add 3 little phrase sticker type things over here because I did my journaling under my title in here instead. So I have an Ellie Studio label that just says I love you. A piece of ephemera that I glued down that says, and all at once summer collapsed into fall because it's September. And then these awesome fabric word phrases from Ali Edwards. Totally awesome. I decided to do just like a different color in each just to bring all the colors, very colorful, rainbowy. So it's a good way, it's a good general, like simple sketch if you have a lot of photos that you want to collage or big photos that you want to collage, something like that. It would be ideal, like I had said, if you could do just like the sketch and have tons of little photos and do like a year in review, a month in review, something. It'd be a really good sketch for that too. So that is what I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize you didn't get a process, but I appreciate you all and we'll see you next time. Bye.